Hello guys, long time no see. I hope you all are good. There are so many fan letters asking me how to use a capacitive level sensor for what tank. Wow, it's so simple. Just follow my step for the details. Firstly, we need a capacitive level sensor, drill, screwdriver, and water tank before getting started. The parameters of this sensor we test this time. The range is 490 millimeters with RS485 output. The voltage is 11 to 33 volts. It is designed for level measurement where the levels are lower than 3 meters or 316 still is for any harsh environment. Then we must use a drill to cut hole and secure the gasket with flange for the next step. After that, slowly place the sensor into the water tank. You connect the USB 485 converter. Power switch connect to the laptop. Finally, we can use this software to set noise and high gas volume for real-time monitoring. You can say that. Lastly, this is the operation process of a capacitive level sensor. I hope you will learn something from my video. That's okay. Next time. Bye bye.